Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is HUSSEIN from 12 IPA 2. Today, I will teach you how to make a silhouette with Photoshop CS6. What is the purpose of this text? To make a people know how to make a silhouette with Photoshop with easy steps. Before continuing it, would be nice if you know the meaning of silhouette and what is Photoshop. A silhouette is an image of a person, animal, object, or a scene represented as a solid shape of a single color, usually black, with its edge matching the outline of the subject. Then, what is a Photoshop? Photoshop is from Adobe. Adobe Photoshop is a Western graphic editor developed and published by Adobe System for Mac OS and Windows. We have much more. Let's see how to make it. Check it out.
First, import your photo to your PC. In this video, I will already import my own photo to my PC. There is. I put it on the desktop. Second, click and drag the photo to Photoshop. Like this, can full screen it. Third, click the crop tool to crop the photo and resize it. I use the 1:1 ratio to make it like square. Then click OK.
Together we can all the night.
Fourth, click the eraser tool. Then right click it and choose the magic eraser tool. 5. Use the magic eraser tool and delete the background photos. 6. Click the FX symbol in the right middle and click the stroke tool to find the image Tiferet.
I be creeping day and night.
You can see the image Tiferet in this video, like this. And then delete the image Tiferet.
I be creeping day and night.
You can try it again if there is no image Tiferet anymore. Or check the image Tiferet.
When you give me all your love.
7. Click the color overlay in the FX symbol in the right middle and change the red color to black color.
Together we can all the night.
Why must black color? Because silhouette is usually black.
Together
And click OK.
all the night. When you give me all your love, then I give you all my time. Together we can all the night. Together we can all the night.
Hey, Click the horizontal type tool in the left middle toolbar and choose the font you like it and type your name in the image.
Together we can all the night.
9. Click the file option in the top corner and click Save As. And rename the file like my silhouette. But don't forget to change the file format to PNG. Then click Save and follow the step setting like this. Then click OK and wait for Photoshop to process it. Last step, check your silhouette photos. Then print your own silhouette and show to your friend.
That's it. Now you know how to make a silhouette with Photoshop CS6. If you like this video, press or tap the like button. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See ya.